Let's put together Crafty Little U's spooky books. For this video, we are gluing together an unfinished set. We do suggest that you paint it before you glue everything together. On this set, you are going to receive one unfinished small book and one unfinished large book. You're also going to receive a set of spacers, and that's what we're popping out right here. These spacers are going to clip into the binding of the book, so you will receive one large binding and one small. You're going to take those little tabs on the end and clip them right into the binding just like that. Once they're nice and tight in there, you are going to glue the front and the back to those spacers. This is what is causing the books to look 3D'd. Then we are going to continue this step for the small book. Clip those spacers into the binding and then glue on the front and back covers for the book. Okay, next let's start adding some of our details. We're going to start by adding the pages. You are going to receive one long page, and that goes on the large book, and then you're going to receive one medium-sized page, and that goes on the small book. And then you're going to receive two small pages, and those are for the top of both of the books. Okay, now let's add our binding details. We have these cute little covers for where the tabs went, and then we have some witch's brew words and spooky words. And then we're going to glue on our spider webs, and now you have a very cute decoration for this season of Halloween.